How can we change margins on our Google Docs document? After you open up the document, head to Files at the top left corner. Search for Page Setup. It should be just above the print. Click on it and you will see what is the size of your paper. You can change it from here as well. I will keep it as A4. You can see the backdrop color and also margins in inches, top, bottom, left and right. You can change just one or you can change all of them. So I will change to 0.25 inch on all sides. Now I click OK. You can also save these settings as default for your future documents if you like. Here it is, set as default, but in my case I will just click OK. And that's it. Now I can type way closer to the border of the page. As you can see, the margins are indicated here. And I can actually push it to a negative indent. So even the margins are still here. I got like minus 0.25, so I kind of overlap that. So that's also nice trick. If you don't want to change margin, just want to move some text kind of outside them, it's also possible. All right, so that's how you do it. I hope this was helpful. Remember, File, Page Setup, and you can change it from here. See you in the next tutorial.